friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll solve this problem. So I will just explain it in 5 minutes. So just listen to this and you will get understand. The question says, determine the resultant of the system of forces acting on a body as shown in figure. See, there are the system of forces acting on a body. Take the coordinate direction as shown in figure. The direction is given with the inclination of 45 degrees. So we have to consider these direction coordinates. So first job is to find out the horizontal and vertical components, correct? So now for that we have to analyze the horizontal and vertical components from these forces. Since the force is acting towards the block, the resultant is this. If we consider this as a resultant, then the horizontal will be like this, vertical will be like this. If I consider this, the horizontal component will be this side and vertical components will be this side. So when you see this, the figure, you can easily find out the directions, correct? Now this force is acting towards upward, so it will be like this, and this don't have any inclination, so here we are not going to arrange this in a horizontal and vertical component. Now while solving, we'll start from here. So this will become 700. Since the angle is making with respect to x-axis, it will be cos 30, correct? And this is making with respect and the vertical component will be 700 sin 30. And for this, it will be, the angle is making with respect to y-axis, then the horizontal component will be 600 sin 45. Please be careful with this. Whenever the angle is making with respect to y-axis, you have to take sine for the horizontal component. Now similarly for the 600 cos 45, correct? And this is purely vertical. There is no inclination and present on y-axis itself, so it will be written directly. So for this, start from this, the horizontal components moving towards right direction. When you see the figure like this, it will be plus 700 cos 30, and this one going towards left, that is minus 600 sin 45. That is what written here. And by solving these two, we will get the answer as 181.95 Newton. Similarly for the y-axis component or the vertical components, this one is moving towards down, correct? So it will be minus, and this force will be minus, and this is moving towards up, that is plus. So minus 700 sin 30, correct? Minus 600 cos 45, minus 600 cos 45, plus 800 moving towards up, so plus 800. While solving this, you will get it as 25.735 Newton. And next one is to find out resultant. In the question itself, they have mentioned determine the resultant. So R is equal to sigma fx square plus sigma fs square under root, square root. So we'll substitute the whatever the value you got for x and y. So you will get the R value as 183.76 Newton. You don't forget that. Next, coming to this direction, that is theta tan inverse of sigma fy by sigma fx. Substitute these two values and you will get it as 8.05 degree. I hope you are clear with this. All the steps are easy, so they just give you to make confused. Don't get confused. Solve all the horizontal and vertical components, then it will be easier for you. I hope you understood the problem. If not, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you. Please like the video, share and subscribe. Do follow for more.